Hello, in recursive playlist, this is our third problem. Print series recursively using recursion up to 1 to up to n. Now let's see how this problem will be work in recursion manner. Using the function we have seen, in function we use the loop where we use a for while loop and we initialize first n is equal to up to n and n less than is equal to up to desired number, and every time we increase the value of n, and in a loop we just print the value of n, and it gives the desired number which is up to 1 2 3 4 5 according to this problem. Now we will see how recursively this problem is work. Now we is writing the recursion call print series, and this is the int n, right? And now we will write down the base condition n is equal to 1, then cout 1, and then we will call the recursion call print series n minus 1, and then cout n. This is a basic pseudocode. In previous question where we have done where we print n to 1, there we have done this printing will be before and print series will be after, but in 1 to n manner, in when we are printing the 1 up to n, then this problem is first printing series and count will be second, because in recursion we print recursively, means back to first. Now let's write on this problem how this is actually working. Now first print series n, will take the n is equal to 5, and it will check that first base condition n is equal to means 5 is equal to 1, no, then it will go recursively print series 4, because n minus 1, then again it will check base condition 4 is equal to 1, no, then it will go print series recursive call 3, n minus 1 means 4 minus 1 3, then it will check base condition n is equal to 1, no, then it will grow print series 3 minus 1 means 2, and check base condition 2 is equal to 1, no, so then print series, it will go to recursion call 2 minus 1, then 1, and 1 is equal to 1. Yes, so output it will first print 1, and first it will return here and it will print 1, and then it will come here, and here it will print 2 and print 3 and print 4 and then print 5. This way. Now let's check how the code is working. Let's go to in VS Code. This is our previous code, and we have create a file name where print series C++, and we just write down the recursive call print series and this will be void because we are not returning any value. We just directly print this, and this is the base case. Int n is equal to 1, then cout and print 1, else recursion call first n minus 1 and then cout n. So that more carefully. Now run this code, and it is asking for input. I'll give 10. This is actually correct. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. There is for some input typing mistake. Now let's fix this. Again, now we'll give the same input so that you understand. Now see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. I hope you understand this. If any queries, then you can comment me in this channel. So thank you.